Douce's cooking lesson. And I'm going to cut up these little green things. They go in the chili. I'm going to make chili this time. You have to cut them up nice and fine. And try not to cut your fingers off, which I almost did. But anyway. See that? Nice and fine. It's all nice little pieces. I think my hat just blew up. My hat just blew up. Oh well. The show must go on. You gotta keep going. Have to chop them all. Now we're gonna cut up another green pepper. You gotta cut it down like this here. And then you gotta get the seeds out of the bottom part. You gotta watch yourself though, you don't cut your hand off. You have to get all the seeds out of there. The seeds are no good. Want to make you poop. That one all cut out. I'll have to cut the other one out. Oh. Oh. Ah. Now this is Douce's cooking show, episode 2. And I hope nobody makes a comment about my hat. I think I look like the bishop with it on. But I have to wear it when I'm cooking. Now I'm going to peel some onions. I hope I don't start to cry while I'm eating. Oh! I already have the green peppers already all done. I did that earlier. We were interrupted. Then we cut it in half. Then we just dice it right up here. Not fancy like those guys on the TV who's all this here. Have all these fancy choppers and everything. I just have a little knife. And see this? See how I'm doing it? And if there's any red stuff on here, it's just me. I cut myself. Oh, I'm starting to cry now. Oh, heavens, Betsy. It's true, you know, they say with these friggin' old onions. Holy God. Can't see. Oh, gosh. Jeepers creepers, I can't see. Next thing you know, I'll be cutting my finger off. I'm going to invent something. The cryless cutter. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the stove to medium. Then I'm going to put the frying pan on there like that. Then I have to get the hamburger, which I hate touching. Oh, it's just awful. This is too much hamburger. I don't usually put all this. But
you gotta wait till the frying pan heats up.
Oh, I have to wait till the frying pan heats up. I'm so excited. Sorry. And I have my trusty dog Milo here. He's waiting to get something to eat too. Picture my trusty dog Milo. Here he comes. There. It's something new today. And when you're heating up your frying pan, you see that little red dot in the middle? When it turns right red, that means the pan's ready to throw some stuff on it. I learned something new today. My assistant told me all about that. She's really my teacher, but I think I'm my assistant. Now opening my can of kidney beans, which will go into the chili. Make a right good taste. Off awful cookie. Oh, sharp too. You gotta watch sharp. Stinks. I don't know what it stinks like. It stinks like something. Also, this is diced tomatoes, which will be going into our chili too. So, have our $2 can opener. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. May have a problem, Houston. Might have a problem, Houston. Might have a problem there, Houston. There's a little bend. There's a little bend in the can there. You have to... Oh, I think we got her. I think we got her, Houston. There. I think we got her. Little bend in the can. Ooh, that's hooky. That's hooky. There we go. We're going to put in our secret ingredient later. Hamburger in, which I don't like touching. Well, anyway, we'll put her in. You hear that sizzle? She's cooking. Make it easier to cook. We're done now. I got the hamburger all ready to go. I got everything cut up over here ready to go. As long as you don't set the place on fire, it'll be alright. Now we're going to drain this here cookie stuff into here. This takes all the grease out of it, or most of the grease. I'll have the dog eating whatever bunch of... It's hot stuff, Milo. Oh, hot one, Milo. Ah! There. Now I turn the pot on the medium. I'm going to dump in some of my ingredients. My green peppers and onions. Just chop them all up by hand. Try not to cut yourself. Try and get them evened out there a little bit. There we go. Now I'm putting in my red kidney beans. Just pour them right in. Here comes my crushed. Now it has to be crushed tomatoes. Oh my God, what a cook! What a cook! Mix them up a little bit here. Use a clean spatula.
Use a spoon.
No, I use a spatula.
No, a spoon.
Ah, my assistant says I gotta use a spoon.
There's one right there. A big spoon.
I was gonna use spatula. Anyway, you gotta mix them all up. Looks right nice. Awful pile of chili. Okay, this is Douce's cooking lesson number 2. You see I have a new hat for this episode. Some people think it's making me look like the bishop, but I'm Douce the cooker. And I've done all my chili. I've got already chopped up my green and my onions, and put in some tomatoes and some green beans. I have my hamburger already cooked in my little plate there, soaking up the grease. Now we're going to put the hamburger in. I put it in my little thing, soak up the grease here. That fell right through. Really soaked up the grease. There we go. Gonna mix that all in. Make sure you get it mixed in really good. It's just an extravaganza of color. There. Now we're gonna put in the secret ingredient. No?
What makes it chili?
You got a chili powder.
Yeah.
Where's the chili powder?
In the cupboard.
Since we're making a big pot of chili, we need 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Hopefully got enough. Well, it should be some more in there. Put the rest of her out. There. 3 tablespoons. Chili powder, mix them all up. Make them right cookie. Get in there. God, it's a big. As I said earlier, it's just an extravaganza of color. Now I'm going to put my secret ingredient of it, which is Kraft Extra Cream Smoothie Peanut Butter. Earl Champion told me about this here little trick. He said he met a guy from Newfoundland that said you had to put peanut butter in it. I've never done it before, but we're going to try it. It's supposed to give it texture, make it right smoothie. So I don't know. Oh, it's starting to blow up. If this don't work, we're going to blame Earl Champion. This is the end of cooking lesson number 2 with Douce. How to make chili with my special ingredient, peanut butter. Now we've let it simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes, and I think it's just ready to go. So I'll be putting up a little bowl, put some in it and see how it tasted. And stay tuned for cooking lesson number 3. Good night now. I think my hat just blew up. My hat just blew up. Oh well. The show must go on. You gotta keep going. Have to chop them all.